Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about EUR-USD. So let's get started. This is EUR-USD weekly chart, but I want to show you a daily chart which I made in March, a month ago. Today is April 16th. I made this chart on March 16th. You can see here the EUR-USD daily chart, and this is the pattern. And then I was looking here, the target, the final target from point C to point D, according to this, was around 0596, right? 0596, or let's say 06, 0635 is a very strong area. So what happened to this chart? Let me show you. As of today, I just recorded it. So this is the number 0635. So the price came in, it took a month, but it came down and touched that. See, this candle is barely touching exactly to this 0596 area and then trying to bounce again from here. So this is what the chart is. And remember, the previous chart was that this pattern will be completed here, and then you will trade the reaction. But I traded all the way coming down as well. And now I'm going to trade this to the upside as well. So this is the creative way of trading these harmonic patterns or Elliott wave. Not only that, once the wave is finished, but you can, you should trade when the wave is starting and during the wave, underway, going underway, right? So this is how it is. Like this pattern is already started, and this is the point C going towards point D, completing the pattern. But I traded this, and then I'm going to trade this. So every step of the way, if you understand everything, yeah, you can trade everything. Not only this EUR-USD, but pound USD is doing the same thing, and all the pairs are making some kind of pattern, something all the time. It's all harmonic. And according to the fib, it's just a matter of learning. Okay, now the thing is that this pattern is finished here, for example. So in between this, and this, B, C, and D, what really happened, you can clearly see with this chart. So this is what I call is ending butterfly pattern. And this is also another pattern here between this area. Right, so there's the bigger pattern is the Gartley pattern here, but between this we have another harmonic pattern according to the perfect calculation, which is the butterfly pattern. You can see, right? And and then I call it ending butterfly because this usually ends the move. So the move is to the downside, and since we have this at the end of the move, right around this area, which is very strong area. This is Gartley, butterfly ending here, Gartley ending here. 0635 is right there, and 0612 is right there. And we are just sitting on that number. So very good chance that we're going to bounce from here. So we're going to be using, me and my group, that we're going to be using what? The 7-minute entry first, and then we will look for the 20-minute entry afterwards, right? So those are the setup. We have the setup conditions. We must have setup with 4 conditions before we pull the trigger. So let's see what happens. Let's see. But this is a pretty nice setup in your USD. And like I said, the pound USD is almost do the same thing. And I will be posting my pound USD charts and all that on the telegrams for my subscribers. I mean, the telegram, my group. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys that this is what is happening, and trade whatever the way you trade or whatever the system or strategy you have. But it is ready. Your USD is ready at this level. If you bounce, you're going to bounce pretty nice. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get these videos right on time before it happens. Right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later soon.